Yes guys, daily vlogs with PH. Why not spend the day with me? We see how today is what? Today is Wednesday morning. It's like 5 a.m. Making lunch for them kids and them, making some wraps. We prepare everything. And I wake up early, so it don't happen often, but I wake up very early. I want to sleep early and I wake up early. Normally I'm a very late sleeper. And she's sleeping and I just I must start organizing them and stuff. Some small chicken wraps for lunch. The lunch get already packed. That's how the day goes. Some frozen juice, bam. Yes guys, time check. For the past 1 and now getting a lunch. Haven't eaten breakfast. Sometimes that's how it goes, yes? So trying to make a quick eat. It looks like some stewed beef, lentil, rice, macaroni salad, fresh salad. Quick eat, back to work. Yummy.
Hey guys, this is Trinity Life with Village, Jane and Anya, and today we are going to make homemade nachos. Yes. So first, you wanna get any cricks you like, mash it up in a bag, proper way with your hand. Okay. This is our secret ingredient one. Wait, you guys didn't see that crick. Secret ingredient: lime. Right. Then you want to grate some cheese, a lot of cheese if you like. We like a lot of cheese. You can tell from me eating it. Do this so you get all the extra cheese. And you stop eating cheese, please. As you can see, this is the amount of cheese that we like. This is half of cheese. This is not the amount that we like. We get more, but we would have get plenty more. But we only had half block of cheese. Yeah. Which was sad. Okay. Put this to the side. So now we're gonna get our bowl. Microwave safe. Microwave safe, yes. Get your Olay or your Doritos. We had any Doritos. And you're gonna flip it very neatly so all of the cheese gets right on it. Well, not neatly, just dump it in. Just dump it in like that. And then what you want to do, my bad, sorry. Anya, we need another pot. Get another pot. You see how less we got? I know, like it's such a scandal. Yeah. Nice. Oh my god. Now since you have so much, we don't need to like actually prop it up. Right? We just need to make a hole in the middle. We're gonna put our cheese. Anya, help me put our cheese on. Just add until you feel like. Just add all. I think. Okay. Extra cheese is the best. If you can't see, let me push it down so like it can reach the bottom and not like explode. Okay, yeah. So this is also gonna part, but wait. So now you're going to get your crepes when it is done. Make sure like you get some pieces seen on top of it so you can like actually scoop. Cause like what is it if it's not natural? I know, and like if you want, you could like just. I'm gonna pour all of this, pour oil. You can get that nice crunchiness, and so it wouldn't be like a two ingredient. Like,
Always remember, clean up after yourself.
yeah, we're gonna clean up after the video.
Y'all just don't see that.
Yeah, that's our thing to do off camera.
Limon.
Wait, I want to do
Limon, this is our secret ingredient.
We're gonna add it before and after too.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, wait, let me see.
It's not for enough. I think that's good.
Oh my god, this sounds so good. I'm
It's
gonna
so
put
sour.
it in here. I'm gonna put it in here.
And then put it in the microwave.
For 1 minute. So this is how it looks before. And we're gonna see how it looks after.
I'm going to dance for you like, oh my god, oh my god. Emma, come baby. Come, you want to be in the camera? Come, you're gonna be in the video.
Get us too far.
No, she good, look. She tall.
Y'all go around.
Look up. Amma, you go to the, oh, never mind, you slip it to him. Oh my god, I'm gonna dance. We're gonna do a dance show.
Okay.
This is how it looks. Now we're gonna add the lemon again. And this is how it looks.
This is how it looks after.
You put too little. Oh, it's hot. Oh, that's not just like nachos.
Okay. We're gonna have a mukbang now.
It might not be actually that mukbangy, but it's gonna be mukbangy.
This is how it looks. Let's see if we all.
I'm so excited.
Okay.
Oh my god.
We should put it live after.
Live
Yeah.
or live?
Like put it up on YouTube and you'll be like reading and you'll type in comments. Let me get some cheese so I can show you all how it looks. I know you're always supposed to show it your YouTube person. Why did you do that?
I did.
This is how it looks.
We will be watching those American people, huh?
That tastes good when you were little.
But it is better with you too.
Yeah. I recommend you do a video too.
Yeah. Do it,
Yeah.
guys. We made it before. And lemon. You try with lemon. Put it in the spoon.
Limon, okay?
Put it in the spoon and then eat it with lemon. It is good. With sour.
And you want some?
You taste it. Cherry.
I know, get a cheese one. So we can cheers.
Oh my god. Oh, hot. That's hot, bro.
Cheers.
Cheers again.
Cheers.
Cheers again.
Cheers. Sorry about the background music.
Now 5 is watching somebody. Now we're going to share with the farmer.
Yep. Guys, if you so much mess right now.
I think we'll have to make it like a full view.
Yeah?
This might be like 2 minutes. Yeah. Okay.
Actually, I already found now.
Oh.
Review. How? Review?
Very nice.
Very nice. Super
Very nice. Trini Life with Venus.
Would you like to try our nachos? Okay. Would you like to try our nachos for some views? Okay, give us some nachos. Jimmy, I know. Jimmy, move please.
Trini Life with Venus.
Man, bye.
The answer is actually
Review?
Review? Hey,
It
don't
is
touch your
a-
face. Daddy!
We put too much crumbs. It tastes nice?
Where's the next one?
I don't like you, Daddy.
Yeah, how can you see that? No, it is. We put like too much crumbs probably.
How does it? I feel he just doing that.
I don't like it. As a guy next one?
Yeah. He likes it. He likes it.
Hey, Dad, take the cheesiest one.
Jimmy, you wanna try it?
Take it.
It's over.
Yeah. Real nice. It's
Over.
Nice.
Jimmy. You wanna try
You
it?
want to try it?
Yes, guys. I tried to plant some turf, me and Carol. You gotta water it right through. Hopefully it will catch. Amma. Still have plenty planting to do. As this catch, I'll dig out some pieces and spread it more. See how it goes. Same routine from this morning. Snacks. Yes guys, 12:30. And up on our movie, let's take our 5, then take our bed and sleep. And that's the night. Bye bye.